Hello, Automation Anywhere lovers. Welcome back to KT Sessions. In today's session, we are going to see the questions of essential certification of Automation Anywhere A360. So, if you are going to attempt an essential certification, so you can go to Google and you can search for Automation Anywhere A360 essential certification, and here you can click on this link and you will navigate to this web page, and here you will get all the details of the essential certification. And in this certification we will have 40 multiple choice question, and the duration will be 1 hour, and this is an online exam, and passing score will be 80%, and 2 attempts are allowed. So just click on this login and click on community login. So here you can log in with your community account. If you don't have any community account, you can create one. So if you enter your email ID and you don't have that account, then it will navigate you to the sign up page. So you can sign up first and then you can log in. And as soon as we log in, we will get this type of interface. You can see essential certification. I will give all these links in the description box. You can get those links and you can directly navigate to these web pages. Alright, so we'll get this type of interface for our exam, and here in the left side you can see certification, exam agreement, candidate agreement, e-signature, and then question and answer or the assessment. So first you need to go to first 2 modules, and here you will get some agreements. You need to go through these, and you can click on agree, and then you can move forward to your exam. And upon completion of this assessment, we will get an email with the certification, and we can check our registered email ID for instructions to access our certificate. So let's go. Let me start the test. And here we go. This is the first question. And guys, I am going to attempt all these 40 questions, and I will give incorrect answer of 7 questions, but I will not tell for which question I'm giving incorrect answer. That you need to guess in the comment section. You can tell us this is the correct answer, and you have given this answer to this question. All right. So let's start. First question is, you are designing an automation to automate the process of extracting data from an Excel SX file on a machine without Microsoft Excel installed. Which Automation A360 package should you use? So as we know, we use Microsoft. If we are automating any Microsoft Excel file and Excel is not available on our system, in that case we use Excel basic package, which is third option. Alright, so let's move to the next question. You are tasked with creating an automation that loops through a CSV file containing a list of items and adds them to an online shopping cart. After all items are added, the automation must click yes to acknowledge the order and then click submit order. Which step is necessary to ensure the automation correctly processes each item in the CSV file? So for this, we will use the first option is we can use the loop stage, loop each row in CSV. Second option is add a delay action after each item is added. Third option is use if else. Fourth option is use the wait for condition action to post the bot. No. So the first option is correct. We can use a loop each row in CSV to iterate over all the rows of the CSV file. The next question is, what is the purpose of the append timestamp checkbox when using the log text to file action? So to add a timestamp at the end of each log entry, we can use this. You are trying to automate a drop-down list on a website. You want to select the item with the value ABC. Using the recorder capture action. So we want to select the value. So we will use select item by text. Okay. Okay, the next question is in our automation, we must access the address column from a record variable. So what we can do from a variable that stores data from an Excel file with headers. So our record variable contains data from a Excel file, and we want to access the data of the address field, address column. So we can assign the name address because we don't know the index, so we can assign the name itself. Okay, the next question is when using error handling in an automation, which action is necessary to handle and process the error if the try block fails? So if try block fails, then it will move to the catch action. Okay, the next question is which one of these is not an option in the drop down? Action to take on object in the recorder, capture action when capturing a text box. So click when we capture a text box, we get options like click, double click, append text, and this set password. This is not an option in the drop down, so I will select set password. You need to automate a process that calculates salary increases based on specific conditions, which Automation A360 features allow you to handle this. As we need to automate some conditions, we will use conditionals, means if else. The next question is what are the name of the two type of loop that you can use in the automation? And iterator and while. So the third option is correct. We have two types loop. We have two loop types. One is iterator and one is while. And this loop for end time, this is the subtype of the iterator. Okay guys, so you can go through the further questions. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question in any of the question. Best of luck for your essential certification. Thank you.